Hi everyone, welcome back to Jewelry Intel. Today I tried something a little different, cleaning silver using just corn flour. No harsh chemicals. Just a simple DIY method I'd heard about. And here's what I learned. If you've got dull or tarnished silver, this might be worth a try. Here's what you'll need. Corn flour or cornstarch. Warm water, not hot. A small bowl. A soft cloth or microfiber towel to wipe. And a soft bristled brush if your piece has intricate details. First, I mixed about a tablespoon of corn flour with just enough warm water to make a smooth, thick paste in a bowl. It should feel a bit like toothpaste. Not too runny, not too thick, but smooth. Stir it well with a spoon to avoid any lumps. Then I applied the paste to the silver, focusing on the tarnished areas, using a brush for the tricky spots. Be generous and cover all areas. Next, I let it sit for around 10 to 15 minutes. As it dried, the paste started lifting the tarnish from the surface. This part is key. Don't rush it. Once dry, I gently buffed the paste off using a soft cloth. It took the tarnish with it without scratching the silver. After that, I rinsed everything with warm water and dried it with a clean cloth. So what did I learn? It's gentle, it works decently on light to moderate tarnish, and it's a great chemical-free option. But for heavier tarnish, you might need to repeat the process or try a stronger method. Thanks for watching. If you've tried this or have your own DIY silver cleaning tip, let me know in the comments.